return to it, did he?
No, his return was he was doing something to the test bench, which means you had to take it apart. I was like, I'm going to use all fresh tubes as a de-icer in it. But then didn't do anything, didn't say about if it affected it or anything, just kind of went...
Well, he said it was still running and the pump was still fine. He checked the seals on the pump and the pump wasn't... The seals weren't giving out or anything like that. It wasn't dissolving anything. Okay, we came through the wrong hole. What that one?
You're not... I put it through the one you told me.
I said this one. It's the top one where all the other ones come from.
You said
Simon.
this one.
Take it off. Do it again.
I have video proof of your finger poking through that hole.
What? This hole?
No, the other hole.
I don't think you can actually see my finger. Oh my god. Fresh tubing, why? Oh my days. Never use new tube.
Well, you can't have to if you're going to do a custom motor loop.
Yeah, I know.
You can't like just borrow your friends. Where is custom water loop? Do you mind if I borrow the water pipe without your PT?
Tubing.
What about it?
Why is this not running anymore? It's because you've kicked the paper clip out of the power supply.
I did. When?
Well, I don't know, but it's out and no one else has been there. You don't remember which one it came out of, do you?
Do I remember which one's the on? I just don't know which one you put it in for the off. Well, the ground. Fourth, that one was on.
Miss one, then ground. Make sure you go the right way around.
I was doing it.
So, fourth one, miss one, ground.
Oh, that's what I was doing. I did it right. Well, that's fun. That's better.
Oh my god, Simon.
Yes.
Got it off.
It looks like you just snapped off at you.
This one. Goes back on.
By the way, I apologise that you can't see what he's doing.
It's just so much of a pain in the arse to move this thing around. But you'll see it in a moment.
Well, it is now with everything in it,
Yeah.
as well as liquid. Still need to make a new tube for that kink.
Mm-hmm. And then we'll have to stop the stream there, I think.
Why?
Because I'll have to take all night to bleed this bloody thing. So, once it's bleeding, that's it together. And then...
Well, yeah, all the parts are pretty much in. We've shown off every part.
Yeah. And then I will have to...
Just no one's going to see it lit up.
Yeah, I'll send you pictures or videos and stuff from my phone that you can throw in at the end of one of the videos. Some glamour shots.
And we've got the joys of packing all this up.
Yeah, because it's like 9:30.
Yeah.
And we've been doing this since about 12 o'clock this morning.
It's almost a 12-hour long job.
Why would you do that? Now that in squish, it's going to be an absolute pain in the ass to get on. Wait. Sloop. Right, worked perfectly well on this one, so it worked perfectly fine on this one. I'm literally have to spend all bloody night tipping this thing around to try and bleed it.
Oh, there somewhere.
I know they're over here somewhere. Put them down, didn't I? It needs to be long enough to be able to bend up and around like that to get away from the power supply. Okay, okay. Okie dokie.
Now I think for this one, we need to turn the case around so people can actually see the pumps doing stuff.
Yes. Besides, I need to be able to get to it, so yeah. Jesus.
Oh Lord.
Okay, boss.
So you can see pumps now. So we have this pump going to this radiator behind it, that then goes to the CPU to come back down to the pump. Then this pump here goes yet again to the radiator behind it, into these two GPUs to come back down to the pump. Two separate loops.
We're trying to actually be efficient with our cooling here. Well, I am. Trying to be efficient with my cooling.
Also, another thing to mention, since we're not on much longer, both GPUs are getting their own individual powers. He does have a cable that can power both of them, but
no, I've got a cable for each, but I've got 4 cables for each, 2 cables for each rather than. See, that is much darker.
Yeah, so basically each one's going to get its fully powered to itself.
That is a lot darker, that one.
I would say so, yeah. It looks darker to me.
It is darker, because this is fresh fluid, isn't it? Because dye falls out the fluids.
Mm.
And good old fucking Mayhems are known for it.
That was a bit of spillage onto SSD down there.
Yeah, it's just spat everywhere. Have a tissue, please, Simon. That's the problem I was expecting to have with the other one.
Well,
Drain it, fluid goes all the way down, right? And when I turn the pump back off, it goes back up.
oh.
Not leaking on the graphics cards, eh?
No, I'm not seeing any leaks. No marks, no nothing.
It's so much darker, you can tell it's new.
I think we're safe on the gargling.
Mm-hmm. I'd say so.
So, as a last quick little rundown of the system, we have 4 SSDs on RAID 0. Pretty much comes to round about 3.5 terabytes.
Just over 3.5 terabytes.
2 in here, 1 down each side. 2 EK water block, 2 EK pumps powering individual loops themselves, 1 for the CPU and 1 for the dual GPUs. 2 1080 Ti's, Poseidon Asus, practically overkill. An i9, you have to refresh my i9
7900X.
7900X with 32 gig, 64 gig, 64 gig of DDR4 RAM,
3200 megahertz.
3200 megahertz, quad channel across 8 sticks. That is Corsair Vengeance RGB as RAM, by the way. Board, an X99 board, did you say it was?
X299.
X299. God knows the name of the board model. I'm going to leave that one up to you.
It is a Strix X299-E gaming, not the -XE. The -XE has an uprated heatsink on the VRMs to handle the i9 9720XE, 9750XE, whatever the 18 core 36 thread monster is.
We have a grand total of 1, 2, 8, 10 fans in this. 9 of them being Corsair RGB fans, HD. Can't tell you the fucking models. The RGB fancy ones I've got.
HD 120s.
HD 120. Is that what this is?
They're HD 120s.
Is there no model afterwards?
What, the fans?
Yeah.
No, they're HD 120s.
HD 120s.
HD's the model, 120's the size.
Right, fair enough. And one that came with the case is up top,
Which is just a 140mm thermal take one.
this is a thermal take, the Tower 900 case. It does come with tempered glass on the sides and stuff. Now it's kind of built, you can understand why I call it a trophy case. Because it's just meant to show everything off. There is going to be 2 RGB strips coming down both these sides here to light up the insides as while the panels are on. But this is pretty much your case.
There will be glamour shots, which you'll have to wait till they're out on YouTube to see.
Yes.
It'll also be benchmark results.
I'll also be posting the glamour shot up on Twitter when I get them.
Yeah, they'll go straight up on Twitter and they'll go on the end of the video on YouTube.
Indeed. However, this is the end of the stream. We hope you all had a good time with us. I've been your host, LumusDigital as normal, and I've been joined by my very good friend whose first time mixed stream here.
Oh, you're talking about JP. JP.
He's a
What am I
twat.
doing? I don't know. What am I? What am I now?
Sonic Boom.
Am I Sonic Boom?
Jip.
Am I Boom? Am I JP? Am I Krieg? I don't know.
72.
Well, 72 of Krieg. I don't know what I am. Which identity am I today?
He's an asshole.
Hey!
But anyway,
Well cleaned asshole, thank you very much.
catch you all next time. Adios.